Let's face it, it's a great feeling when you receive exceptional service. It's even better when someone takes the time to acknowledge how much they appreciate the effort. Here's a look at one of our favorite 5-star reviews. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. Knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We'll see you soon.